Most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her I been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Have to slop the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I set the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I gotta open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together, I'm the glue.
Someone said,
shorty face, Tommy out the blue.
Someone said, someone said, someone said.
Till I land, have me out like a light, like a light, like a light, slept through the flight, not for the night, 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man, I still got scores to settle, man, I crept down the block, made a right, cut the lights, paid the price, niggas think it's sweet, just on sight, nothing nice, Vegas in my ice, juices Christ, checks over stripes, that's what I like. What we like, lost my respect. You not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on checks. See the shots that I took, wet like on Brooke, wet like on Lizzie. I'll be spending 5 Molly circle blocks till I'm dizzy. Like where is he? No one seen him. Tryna clean him. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with doubles in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, pass the dogs and sell, he's sending texts and sending kites. Yeah, he say keep that on like I say, you know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with Boo. La Ferrari, some Jamba Juice. Yeah, we back on the road, they jumping off no parachute. Yeah, the shorty in the back, she say she working on the glutes. Yeah, by the book. Yeah, this how it look. Yeah, about to check. Yeah, just check the foots. Yeah, pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama cover Forbes, got these other bitches shook. Yeah.
Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on your side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dog, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks and go outside, and I split it with the vibe. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been doing since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them not to put that shit behind us, but I lied. Ayy, ayy, look who I'm around, man. I fuck.
Alright you guys, so this is officially the finished look. Everything is just slicked back, as you guys can see. I really like my hair like this. I was gonna do it in 2 braids, I did show you guys, and then I was gonna braid this middle section, but the braids just didn't come out how I wanted them to. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna put a rubber band right here, you feel me, and just slick down my edges, sis, and call it a good old day. And this like gives me like a real casual vibe. Like this is great for like college girl, like school, something like that, because it's still real cute. You know what I mean? It's out of the way. Today was just like super hot, honestly. Like I don't know where this heat wave has come from, but it has been hot as hell in LA lately. So I just wanted something that was back and just kind of like off of my shoulders, slick back. That's why I wanted to either do the 2 braids and just have everything back, and then just have the back of my hair just like down. It's a very quick, simple, and easy look. It's not complicated at all. Once again, this unit was sent to me from BiLace Wigs. Shout out to BiLace Wigs for sending over this beautiful curly unit. I really do like it, but you see why I would want this like in a braid, like an inward braid. It just wasn't looking right, and I was just like, I'm not even finna waste my time. Pull this part to the side as well, or let me see if we could put a bun in there. Oh snap, it's thick enough for a bun. So boom, you can have you a cute little bun right here, but spread it out so it's not like so. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I had to like move my studio light back because it was just making me look way too washed out, way too white. But anyway, this is like how I have my hair real quick, and I actually really like it like this. So I think this is going to be like the end all style. If you don't want to do it like this, you guys saw how I had it before, just, you know, all going back. But I really like my hair like this. I think it looks kind of cute. I don't know. I mean, it's honestly up to you what you really want to do with it. But yeah, you guys, so now I'm about to go get me something to eat because I am extremely freaking hungry. I have been snacking on this little protein tray or whatever, but girl, I put it in my freezer and I just be doing too much. I put the doggone thing in the freezer and my intention was to come right back to it, and then it completely froze, so I had to thaw it out. So girl, it's just a hot ass mess. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and go get me something to eat. I'm thinking about getting like some seafood because it's like, why not? So let's get it popping. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Shout out to BiLace Wigs for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested, a link will be listed down below for this exact same unit. And yes, I know I did over bleach the knots on this unit, you guys. I am aware, I do see that. Oops, my bad. But anyway, I hope you guys really liked this video, and I will see all of you guys in my next one. Bye.